Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Look at me go, 2 videos on the run. I'm very proud of myself. It took a lot of pre-planning. Today we are unboxing the Hemlock and Oak weekly planner. This is another voiceover because I'm still winging it and filming when I can. Right, this is how it was packaged. Look at that box. You do not want to know how many tries that took me not to absolutely destroy everything around me. Little thank you card, which is always appreciated. Now look at that. I bought the 2025 Minimalist Planner in Elderberry. I got a little lunar charm because midnight planner, how could I not? And there was a free transparent pocket included with the order, which is in the back. But look, oh, I just love it. That charm is absolutely stunning, and the fact that they put it on for you is even amazing because I would have broke everything trying to do it. The paper just feels so smooth. I don't really know what I was expecting with it. I just seen that loads of people really love these planners. She got this next year and obviously the year after. Oh, a little tracker planner, maybe. Important dates. And then your yearly at a glance. Important holidays. Oh, and a January overview. That's going to be interesting. Then there comes the monthly, and then it starts the weeks. So I've gone for the Hobonichi Tetra, so that's not included. And I do like it does come with a January review as well. I am a big fan of the layout where it's all consecutive. Oh, and an end of year review. Oh, I do like that. I don't know whether I'll stick to what's actually written in it, but we will see. And then you've got your spare pages at the back. I'm not counting them or anything. We're just, yep, there we go, Catherine. Let's keep it moving. And then there's that free transparent pocket, which is probably going to get a load of stickers put in it. First impression, absolutely lovely. Feels amazing. The paper's amazing. I couldn't tell you right now what the GSM is, but if I remember, I will put it in later. I am very happy with it. I think you will be seeing a lot of this planner, so this is what I'm gonna dedicate my prep in the week. And I think I would like to do like set up the week with me, lazy Sunday planning, that kind of thing, because I'm once again revamping how my videos are doing because I'm not happy with them. So this is probably going to be very influential on what I'm gonna do. I need to work out the details, whether I'm going to use these pages to pre-plan videos that are going to come out, pre-plan filming things. I get my day job rota once a week, so it's quite difficult for me to schedule things in. But even if I just do maybe a little tracker and I can keep heads up on what goes well. I am also thinking about doing like monthly reviews, but like I want to kind of style them as chapters. I don't know whether I'm going to incorporate like the January overview and January review in them. I still need to work out those kind of details, but I've got the rough idea in my head on what I want to do. So it'd be like in a few days the chapter 11 of 2024 is going to come out, which is just a video that is just going to be about like my planning, my small business that I run, just a little bit more, I don't know, exciting. A little bit more for me to be invested in. I still want to talk about planning and how it helps me, but I think I want to push myself a little bit further. So it's something I'm going to play with. Chapter 11 is not going to be overly detailed because I literally was coming up with the idea over it and didn't think to record anything. So chapter 12, which will obviously be December, will be much more interesting. I don't know if I'm going to use these monthly spreads to help me out or just mark down what I've recorded or what needs to be done. I don't really know. I don't know if it's just going to be a YouTube related planner or more of a routine focused planner, making sure I'm getting that work done, making sure everything's on time, and just making my life easier. That's the plan with any planner, but I think I want to make sure it's less stressful on myself. I'm not 100% sure right now what this video is doing because it keeps focusing and unfocusing. I'm going to try and cut out as much as possible. Anyway, so far the layout of the planner is obviously what I expected. The quality of the paper is absolutely stunning. I am looking forward to testing out some inks on there. We might do a little video about that. I'm just sort of waiting for something to come in the post because I've tried this before and I ended up using a paintbrush and it was so messy. Either way, ramble aside, you're going to see a lot of this planner. I am so excited to get into it and just reviewing the routine and tweaking it and making it work, and we're gonna figure it out together. It's gonna be awesome. I'm really looking forward to the upcoming video of setting this up. We're gonna post it, note it, we're gonna figure it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have ever tried the Hemlock and Oak planners. What are your thoughts? Let me know your favourite colour of which one you would have gotten. Let me know if you've got any questions that I missed out on, because obviously this is still new to me and I do like to ramble. Right, thank you very much. I shall hopefully see you in the next one tomorrow. Bye.